Hi all of you. Welcome back to our class once again. Today discuss about the topics here ray optics. Topics here ray optics. First of all, in this topic we will discuss about the total internal refraction, dispersion, reflection and optical instruments, lenses, lens formula, mirror formula, etc. Okay. First of all, the optics is dividing into two parts. Here one is ray optics or geometrical optics. Second one is here physical optics or wave optics. Okay. First of all, what is the light? What is the light? How can you define the light? And ray of light. What is the ray of light? Now discuss about these terms. Okay. First of all, optics is dividing into two parts. Optics is dividing into two parts. Here one is ray optics. Ray optics or geometrical optics. Geometrical optics. Okay. Here second one is physical optics. Physical optics or wave optics. Wave optics. Okay. This is in this ray optics deals with the reflection, refraction, dispersion and formation of the images. Here formation of images in this term. Here in this physical optics discuss about the scattering, polarization, photoelectric effect, photoelectric effect and Compton effect, etc. Okay, in this topic. Now we will discuss about the first of all here statement. According to Newton's Corpusculus theorem in ray optics, deals with the according to Newton's Corpusculus theorem is the stream of light is a stream of particles or light as made of tiny particles is called as here corpuscles, which is traveling in a straight line. That means rectilinear motion. That means here rectilinear motion. Okay. The Newton's explained reflection, refraction and the formation of the images. It can't explain it here in these terms: scattering, polarization, photoelectric effect and interference, Compton effect. Okay. First of all, here statement of light. Statement of here light according to Newton's Corpusculus theorem. And first of all, here optics, ray optics. Here study of light, and its properties. Okay. Here ray optics, study of light and its properties. Newton's optics. Here Newton's optics Newton's optics. Light is a stream of particles, or light as made of tiny particles. Tiny particles, which is called corpuscles. Is called here corpuscles, which is traveling in a straight line, okay, or rectilinear motion, according to Newton's theorem, Newton's optics. Now, first of all, statement of the light. What is the light? The light is defined as here simply light is a form of energy. This energy emitted by the excited molecules or particles. Here light energy is emitted by the excited molecules or particles, which can here cause of sensation vision in a normal human eyes. Here, first of all, statement here, light. What is the light? Here, light is a electromagnetic radiation. Is called here light. And statement here, light. What is the light? Statement here, light is statement. Light. Okay. Electromagnetic radiation is called here light. Electromagnetic radiation is called light. Here light. The wavelength of this light radiation, electromagnetic radiation, wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation here, wavelength of this radiation of light, 450 nanometer to here 450 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Okay, 750 nanometer. Generally, the light speed of light highest in a vacuum. The speed of light here in a vacuum is highest. That means here speed of light in a vacuum. Here vacuum is 2.9979 to 458 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is a velocity of light. The velocity of the light is or speed of light here. C is equal to the light is indicated that here small c. C means velocity of light. The velocity of light or speed of light C is equal to 2.9979 to 458 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Approximately here C is equal to approximately 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is a speed of light is a scalar quantity. Okay, it is a scalar quantity. Now the next one, ray of light. What is the ray of light? Okay, what is the ray of light? A light wave can be considering traveling from one point to another point along straight line joining them. This path is called here ray of light. Here statement ray of light. Then statement here ray of light. A light wave can be considered traveling from one point to another point. Here ray of light, ray of light statement. A light wave can be considered traveling from one point to another along straight line joining them. This is called, this path called ray of light. Okay, ray of light. This is a, for example, here point A. The light wave traveling from one point to another point, for example point B. These points in between, this path, this is a path, this one here represented here path. Here light wave traveling from one point to another point in a straight line joining these 2 points. This path here called ray of light. Okay, ray of light. Now the straight line indicates or representation of the ray of light. This straight line here representation of the ray of light. These are 3 types here. First one, ray of light, the straight line representation of ray of light. The straight line representation of the, first of all, first case, this is a representation. This is a line, single straight line representation of ray of light. Okay, ray of light, only single straight line. Now the group of parallel straight lines, indicates represented here beam of light or bundle of light. That means here second one, this is straight lines, parallel straight lines, group of parallel straight lines. This indicates here bundle or beam of ray of light. Okay, third one, this group of parallel straight lines here concentrated at a point. For example, this one. Okay, the parallel straight lines, the group of parallel straight lines concentrating at a point, for example point A. This type of one here called here pencil ray of light. These 3 types. This one here bundle of beam of light. This one, this representation of the ray of light. This one here pencil of light or converging light ray. Now first of all, the light ray, or when a light strike on the boundary of two media, then the partly light turned back into the same medium. This light is called here reflection light. Rest of the light passing through the one medium to another medium. This light is here called here refraction of the light. Here first of all, listen with diagrams. Okay, the reflection of light here reflection of light. Reflection of light. Okay. For example, here this is a plane surface, both sides. For this one, rarer medium. This one here denser medium. Okay. The boundary of AB is a boundary of two media. Two media means a rarer medium and denser medium. Okay. First of all, when a light incident on the boundary of these two media. Okay. This, for example, this light. This is a light. This light incident on a point, for example, O. Point on O, on here surface of these two medium. After incident, part of the light turn back into the same medium. For example, this one here turn back into the same medium. This light is called here reflection of light. This is called here reflection of light. Okay. This is a reflection of light. Remaining or rest of the light transfer from one medium to another medium. This called here refraction of light. Refraction of light. Okay. This light here refraction of light. This one here reflection of light. So in this process, mainly the light traveling from one medium to another medium. Here one medium to another medium. Frequency is always constant. But here wavelength to velocity both are changes and one medium to another medium. For example, these two media means such as here, for example, air. This media is a rarer medium is a air. The denser medium is a, for example, glass. Okay. The light velocity of the light here c. Intensity of the light here I, and wavelength of the light lambda. Frequency of the light here nu. This light incident at a point O does not change of the velocity, wavelength, frequency. These are constant. These are here constant in rarer medium. But the reflection of light, velocity, wavelength and intensity, these are changes. For example, these are here changes. Okay. Here constant term here, frequency here constant. In this case, velocity same, wavelength here same, frequency is same. But here change of the intensity of the light. The intensity of the light is decreasing in this medium. Here intensity of the intensity of light is decreasing. Okay, or decreasing in this phase. In this also intensity is decreasing, velocity is the change and wavelength is change. Frequency is here constant. Okay. This light is here reflection light. This light here reflection of light. This light here incident of light. Now laws of reflection. After that, laws of reflection. The laws of reflection are two. First one, for example, here very simple topic. Here polishing surface. This face here plane surface. This one here plane surface. This one is polishing surface. So the light is incident on the plane surface. The light is here incident on the plane surface. Here loss of reflection. Loss of reflection. First of all, here discuss the incident ray. This is incident ray. I is a incident, small I, for example, small I. The point of incident here O. Point of incident here O. This is a AB is a reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. This surface here polished. This one here plane surface. The light incident on the plane surface. After incidenting, the partly some light is reflected. The light is here reflected. This one here reflected. Reflected ray. This one here incident ray. This one here incident ray. Okay. Here O is here. O here point of incident. Point of incident. Okay. Point of incident. O is here point of incident. Here I incident ray. Here or here for example reflected ray. Okay. First of all, draw the normal onto the point of incident. This is a draw the normal onto point of incident O. Point of incident O. So the angle between this normal, this is the normal. This is here N is a normal. Draw on the point of incident. Here this is the angle of incident. This one here angle of incident. This one angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. First one here called angle of incident. Second one here called here angle of reflection. Here statements. First statements here. Listen carefully. The angle between angle of incident to normal to the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface is called as here angle of incident. Angle of incidence. Second one angle of reflection. It is defined as the angle between reflection ray to normal to the reflecting surface. This is called as here angle of reflection. Here statements. First statement angle of incident. Okay, angle of incident. The angle between angle of incident here incident ray and normal to the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface is called here angle of incident. Here angle of incident. Okay. This is అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే పతన కోణానికి పతన బిందువు వద్ద గీసిన లంబానికి మధ్య కోణాన్ని ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే పతన కోణం అంటుంది. దీని ఏమంటే ఇక్కడ పతన కోణం అంటుంది. సింపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ reflection. Angle of here reflection. Okay. The angle between reflected ray and normal to the reflecting surface. Okay. Reflecting surface is called here angle of reflection. Here angle of reflection. Okay. Angle of reflection అంటే పరావర్తన కిరణానికి లంబానికి పతన బిందువు తగ్గించిన లంబానికి మధ్య కోణాన్ని ఇక్కడ పరావర్తన కోణం అంటాం. సింపుల్. ఓకే. నౌ the loss of reflection here. First of all, This note is this one. Okay, laws of reflection, very simple. This is this one here, for example, plane mirror. This one here, plane mirror, plane mirror. Okay, this is a plane mirror. One side here silver coating, another surface, free surface. Okay, now the light is incident on the plane surface, plane surface. Okay, this is for example, leave it, plane surface. This is a reflecting surface. For example, this one here, reflecting surface. This one here, reflecting surface. Okay, point of incident here O, the reflection of reflected light here R I. Okay, the draw the normal onto point of incident here N. For example, OA incident, OB reflection. OA incident of light and OB means a reflection of the light. ON here normal. So here plane of incident, plane of incident. That means plane of incident is defined as the plane containing incident line, incident of ray and normal draw the point of incident. This is called here plane of incident. The plane of incident contains three: incident light, reflection light and normal. These are at a plane. For example, this is a plane, this one here. For example, this one here plane, the incident ray, this one, the reflection ray, this one here normal. These are three. This plane. For example, here this one. Okay, this plane. This one here. This is a reflecting surface. This is a plane of incident. This is a plane of incident. First of all, here first case, the laws of reflection. Here first one, incident ray, reflected ray and normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incident, all lie in the same plane. This is the first law of reflection. Here first of all, statement, first condition, incident ray comma reflection ray and normal to a reflecting surface, at a point of incident, all lie in the same plane. This is the first law of reflection. Here second one, angle of incident is equal to here angle of reflection. Second one here, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. That means here angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. This is a second law of the reflection. First of all, listen carefully here. First one, first condition, law of incident ray, reflection ray and normal to a reflecting surface at a point of incident, all lie in the same plane. This is the first law of reflection. Here second law of reflection is angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. This is the second law of reflection. Okay, in this process, now some cases in the conditions. This law of reflection considered here plane surfaces, here plane and curved. Okay, for example, here this is a plane surface. Okay, the incident light here, this one here incident light, reflecting light. Here this is curve. Okay, incident and reflection. For example, this is a inside silver coating, here outside silver coating, or outside here silver. This is a light here, incident light and reflection. This cases here plane curved surfaces, planar curved surfaces, considering this loss of reflection. Now note this one. Second one here, if a light incident on normal to the surface, plane surface, after incidenting retrace back into the same path. In this case, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident is equal to here angle of reflection. That means here this is a plane mirror. For example, this is a plane mirror. The light incident normally on the plane surface. The angle of incident here I. The reflection after incident retrace back into the same direction. That means here this is a reflection light. This is the reflecting light. This one here incident light. Here the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection is equal to 0. So the deviation of the angle of deviation is equal to 180 degrees. That is equal to here 5. Then tarvata explain chestam. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, that is equal to 0 degrees. In this case, the light ray is normal incident on the plane surface. After incident, the retrace back into the same path. Next one here, rotation of in this process here, velocity, wavelength, frequency are constant. Okay, in this process. Now rotation of mirror, mathematical equation, very simple. Rotation of mirror, okay, very listen carefully here. For example, this is a initially mirror. Okay, this is a mirror. The angle of incident, for example, the light incident on the mirror, at point 2, for example, O point, at point 2. Okay, this light reflecting into the same medium. Yeah, this is a reflected light. The OA is incident ray. Here OB means reflected ray. Draw the normal onto point of incident. This is a normal. This one here normal. The angle of incident here I. The angle of reflection R. Angle of incident here I. The angle of reflection here R. Now here M prime. This is a plane mirror. Now the plane mirror, the incident light is fixed. The mirror rotating by an angle theta. Then the reflecting ray, the angle of reflecting ray making an 2 theta అంటే ఇక్కడ దర్పణాన్ని మిర్రర్ని యాంగిల్ థీటా యాంగిల్తో భ్రమణం చెందించినట్టయితే రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ రే 2 theta యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ప్రూఫ్ హియర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సింప్లీ దిస్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే reflected. This mirror is rotating. Angle theta. For example, here angle theta. Now this one here reflecting ray. This is a incident ray. After mirror rotating and theta, okay, this one rotating, the reflecting ray is here, this is a reflecting ray, okay. Draw the normal onto the point of incident. This is the angle theta, for example, this is the angle. So the reflected ray is here 2 theta after rotation of the mirror. In this case, first of all, the light incident on the point O, the reflection of the light here OB, the normal to the drawn on the point of incident NO. This mirror is rotating by an angle theta. The incident ray is fixed. Incident ray is here fixed. Now this means the mirror is rotating. Mirror is here rotating and angle theta. And angle theta. This one here rotating. Here M1, for example, this one here M2. M2 means rotating and angle here pi, for example, angle here pi, okay. The incident ray is fixed. The incident ray is fixed. Now the reflecting ray, this is a reflecting ray, for example, after rotating of mirror, the normal also rotating. For example, this is a rotating. The normal, this is AO is fixed. Incident ray light is here fixed. Okay. First of all, this angle, angle here theta, this one here, angle of incident here, first of all, this angle of incident. After rotating angle theta, here mirror, here this is a angle of incident. This is a angle of incident. Angle of incident is equal to here theta plus pi. Theta plus pi. Now the angle of reflection is this one here theta plus pi. Okay. Here this angle, this one here theta minus pi. Theta minus pi. First of all, this is the theta angle. Here this one here theta minus this is this one here pi angle. Okay. Theta angle, this pi. So theta minus pi. Here this also, this one here theta plus pi. We find out the angle of reflection of ray. Angle of reflection of ray after the mirror rotating by an angle theta. This we find out that this one. This we find out the, this is the, for example, delta. This is a, for example, here delta. Delta means here angle of reflection. Angle of here reflection after rotating by an angle pi. Okay. After it rotating by. So we first of all we derive the here angle of rotation is equal to, for example, 2 phi. The rotation of the mirror here just phi. We delta is equal to, we prove the show that here delta is equal to 2 pi. First of all, the angle of incident, first of all, angle of incident to here angle A O. This is a B prime. B prime means here after reflecting rotation of the mirror, A O B prime. Here delta is equal to minus angle of A O. Here this is a B. This is the angle of rotation of reflection of the light. This value is substituting A O B prime. A O B prime. That means this is this total angle. So theta plus phi, this one here theta plus phi. So here 2 into phi plus theta minus here this angle, this one angle here, this is a pi plus theta, here this one here theta minus pi. So here theta plus pi minus plus here plus this one theta minus pi. Okay, simplies 2 pi plus 2 theta minus in this theta plus phi plus here theta minus phi, theta minus phi. Here theta get cancelled, theta get cancelled. So 2 phi plus 2 theta, here minus into pi plus pi, 2 pi minus into minus plus. So here theta get cancelled, 2 phi. Okay, the remaining here one step, theta get cancelled, minus 2 phi. Simplies sorry, a mistake here, plus here 2 pi plus here 2 theta minus into 2 theta plus 2 theta minus here negative positive, these are cancelled, these are here negative positive cancel. Simplies here angle of reflection is equal to 2 pi plus 2 theta here plus minus here 2 theta. Here this is a negative, positive values, this one here negative values, this is cancelled. Simplies here delta is equal to 2 pi. This is a angle of reflection is here rotating 2 pi, the mirror rotating theta or pi, the angle of reflection rotating 2 theta. Here in this case here angle of incident is fixed. Okay, now next one, deviation of light, angle of deviation. Some examples very important in JEE and NEET, some problems explained. Okay, deviation of light due to reflection, okay, due to reflection. First of all, this one plane mirror, this one here plane mirror, the angle of incident, the light incident at a point O, the reflection light here OB, the incident light here OA, the normal to the normal draw on the point of incident N. Okay, now here the statement of deviation of angle of deviation, here angle of deviation, angle of incident I, here angle of reflection R. Okay, now the angle of incident of propagation of angle of incident, direction of angle of incident is, this is the direction of angle of incident, here this one here angle of deviation, this one here angle of deviation, the direction of incident light, this here the incident reflected ray, the statement, the angle between the direction of incident ray to reflected ray is called as here angle of deviation, statement. the angle between okay, direction of incident ray to reflected ray is called as angle of deviation, okay, angle of deviation. It is denoted by delta. So delta is equal to, okay, here this one delta, here this is a straight line, this one here straight line, A B, for example C, AC is a straight line, the straight line means here 180 degrees. The angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, that is equal to here 2y or 2r. Here this is this one here 2y or 2r. So angle of reflection is equal to delta is equal to 180 minus here 2i or here 2r. So simplifies delta angle of deviation 5 minus here 2i. This is the angle of deviation formula. The angle of deviation two types here. Delta is equal to 5, leave it, lengthy process, okay, leave it. Now the problems on the angle of deviation, for some examples problems, clarification of the angle of deviation, okay, note this one, very important problems, simple, very simple, okay. Now draw the angle of reflection and angle of deviation. Find and draw the angle of reflection and angle of deviation. Here theta is equal to, for example, I is equal to 30 degrees. For example, I is equal to 30, angle of incident. First of all, example 1. Example here 1. This is a plane mirror. This one here plane mirror. The incident light making an 30 degrees with the normal. This is the incident light, OA incident light. This is the making here 30 degrees, making normal to the normal. Okay. Now find out the angle of reflection, angle of deviation. Find out the angle of reflection and angle of deviation. How to find out this type of this problem? Now simply, very simple, the angle of reflection is equal to here angle of incident. That means here this light is incident light, this one here reflected light. This also according to laws of reflection, 30 degrees. Now draw the line, incident line is extended. This one here delta, this one here delta. How much? Okay. Then according to formula, angle of deviation, angle of deviation delta is equal to 5 minus here 2i, 5 minus 2i. Okay. So delta is equal to 5 and 5 means 180, 2 into angle of incident here 30, okay, is equal to here 180 minus, for example, 60 degrees is equal to 60, 120 degrees. This case one. Next case, the reflection angle of reflection is, for example, 45 degrees with the normal. Find out the angle of incident and angle of deviation. How to solving this type of problem? Now here angle of reflection is equal to 45 degrees. So find out the angle of incident and angle of deviation. Find the angle of incident and angle of deviation. First of all, this one here plane mirror, okay, the angle of reflection, here angle of reflection with the normal, so with the normal, that means here 45 degrees. Draw the normal onto the point of incident. So according to angle of incident is equal to here angle of reflection. So the incident ray, the angle of incident angle here also 45 degrees. So the direction of the incident light, AC. Okay, this is the angle of deviation. So angle of deviation is equal to 180 minus 2i. Here I is equal to R is equal to 45 degrees. That is equal to this value substituting here. 180 minus here 2 into 45 is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees. This is the angle of deviation in this case here, 90 degrees. Third case, the incident angle making, for example, 60 degrees with plane mirror, here example third. Okay, here this is the angle of incident, this is the incident ray, this incident ray making and theta is equal to 60 with the plane mirror. That means here glassing angle, this is a glassing angle. This is a incident ray, point of incident O. This incident ray making 60 degrees with the plane mirror. Now find the here angle of incident, that is equal to angle of reflection. So angle of deviation. Find out the angle of reflection or angle of incident and angle of deviation. So in this case, first of all, draw the normal onto point of incident. Okay, here this is a 90 degrees, this one here 90, this one here glassing angle. So 90 minus 60 remaining, this one 30 degrees. This is a I is equal to here angle of incident 30 degrees. Angle of incident here 30 degrees. So the angle of reflection is also 30 degrees. Now the angle of incident extend up to one medium to another, means straight line. This one here angle of deviation. So angle of deviation is equal to 180 minus 2i is equal to 180 minus 2 into, here I value is 30 degrees. That is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degrees. The angle of deviation here, in this case here, 120 degrees. Next case, different methods, different problems. Okay, just wherever what kokoka examples istunna ikkada. Now inclined, the mirror is inclined with the horizontal. Okay, this is a mirror, this one here mirror. An angle, for example 45 degrees, an angle here or for example 20 degrees, for example. This mirror, plane mirror, inclined with the horizontal, an angle 20 degrees. Now the ray, parallel ray, instant horizontal ray incident on the plane mirror, inclined mirror. So this one here horizontal light incident on inclined mirror, point at O. This is a incident ray. Okay, find the angle of incident and angle of deviation. Okay, so I is equal to here, I is equal to R is equal to question mark, delta is equal to question mark. How to solve this type of problem? Okay, first of all, this mirror, plane angle 20 degrees with the horizontal. So this 90 degree 20 degrees, this is the also 20 degrees. This angle is a glassing angle 20 degrees. Now draw the normal point of incident. Draw the normal point of incident. Okay. Here this one O, here OA, and for example point, this is a B point. OA and OB, these are perpendicular. These are here perpendicular. That means here 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This one 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20, 70 degrees. So angle of incident is equal to 70 degrees. Angle of incident is equal to 70 degrees. Now the reflected ray, this one here reflected ray. Okay, C point for example. So angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. That means this also 70 degrees. So find the angle of deviation. So the extent, the direction of the incident ray. This one. This is the angle of deviation. So angle of deviation is equal to 5 minus 5 means nothing but 180 degrees minus 2i. Here I values, I is equal to r is equal to 70 degrees. So delta is equal to 180 minus 2 into 70, that is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degrees. 40 degrees. This is the angle of deviation. This is a angle of deviation. Okay. This examples problems, 4 different problems, just a clarification of the angle of deviation. Okay. Next class, continuation next. Okay. Thanks.